Hey, Dr. Lindsey here. This is just a real brief video. This is a 25-year-old fellow that we did a case on 2 years ago. We're working on a longer video that goes through the whole before, after what we did. But he came up just the other day and looks awesome. And so this is what a 23-year-old hair transplant ought to turn out like. Definitely not a straight line across the forehead. Definitely not pushing people to do a case first thing without thinking about it. But take a look. This is a kid that was stuck in his basement, didn't feel like going outside, wouldn't get a job, and we probably gave him a little extra confidence, but he fixed himself. At 8 months he had a job. 19 months out he's doing awesome. He's got a girlfriend who drove him up here, didn't even know he had a hair transplant. She stayed in the car and thought he was at a dermatologist's office. So take a look, and we'll put up the longer video soon. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.
You got this.
All right, so I'm here with Michael, on whom we did a case 19 months ago, and I'll put a link if I can figure out how to do so to show his case and his 4-month follow-up. But it's okay if I use your face, right, Michael?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to summarize, and then I want you to add your 2 cents. So you were about 23 or so when I met you,
Mm-hmm.
right? And
Now I'm 25.
everybody was bald in your family, and you didn't have much hair, and you were down in the dumps. And so I made your parents come with you, and I told you that hair transplant won't change your life, but it certainly could give you some confidence. And I just finished asking, you said it changed your life, but tell me, I'm convinced that me giving you hair helped, but you've changed your life. You went from living in your basement, you got a job, you got a girlfriend. Tell me what's gone on in your life since you had this?
Well, basically, I was sort of in the dumps because I was constantly having to shave my head, and then I would look in the mirror and not see anything there. And then now I can actually touch it and move it around and style it. And I mean, I have the choice of cutting it when I want to. And I mean, it's nice because I have coverage up there, and I can actually go out and not feel like people are looking at me and stuff like that.
Yeah. And your parents, are they happy about this whole thing?
Oh yeah, my mom comments on it almost every single day. She's like, "Wow."
Yeah. And when you sent me pictures a few weeks ago, and I emailed you back, I didn't think you needed anything. I know where you need it. Your crown's gone, which we didn't work on before. So we'll figure out how we can do that. But
Yeah.
man, you look awesome. And I didn't give you a goofy hairline that goes straight. Pull your hair back a little bit, just so. I gave you my hairline. And as routine viewers will note, if you give a 23-year-old hairline, when they get to be 50, they're going to look like a buffoon, which is doctoring talk. And so you got to have a more mature hairline, but you can style and camouflage it, right?
Oh yeah, I like to pull it forward, as you said. If and when you have to do a second procedure, you have to pull forward and
Right.
style with that as well.
Anything you think that the uneducated viewer should know, and anything you think the educated consumer?
Just watch as many videos and do as much research as you possibly can. Find the best person that you can in your area, or even if they aren't in your area, just do your research, and then you can go there, ask them to see patients that they've already done, and I mean.
And did we sweet talk you and try to talk you into anything, or
No, you basically told me that's the way it's got to be, or else, kind of thing.
Right.
And you didn't sugarcoat it at all, and basically told me that you could get these kind of results, and we could maximize your possible results with your actual hair that you have, and get you looking as best as possible can.
Yep.
With your genetics.
All right.
Obviously. Yeah.
Well, thank you for coming up today. I really appreciate. These kids never come back, and I'm so happy that you came back. Even if you didn't want anything else, it's just nice to see a success story. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.